just received this complimentary box of puck lights from Homeless to try out. They wanted me to see if I could use them as a lighting solution for all the DIY lamps and wall sconces that I make. So today I'm going to take a look at what they sent me and then test it out with one of my wall sconces. What I really appreciate about this package is that it comes with not just one puck light, but six, because what I'm hoping is that if they work well, then I can use them in all of my non-wired, non-electrical DIY wall sconces and lamps that don't take light bulbs. This puck light is pretty lightweight and is just a little smaller than the size of my palm. This little middle part must be the sensor, and then on the one side I see there is a switch so you can choose a warm light or a white light. At the back there's a magnet which is pretty cool, so I won't even have to drill any holes into my wall. Just stick this magnetic piece on the wall and then the back of the puck light will stick to the magnet. The puck lights also come with a USB cable, and what I find interesting is that there are not one but three USB-C ends, so I guess you can charge up to three lights at the same time. This is a huge bonus for me actually, and the cable is about 17 inches long, which I think is longer than what you would normally get with other tech tools. And here's the manual with instructions on how to install and use the puck light. We also have some instructions on the remote control features as well. And speaking of, here's the remote control. You got the on and off button. You also have two options for the motion sensor, a night and a day mode, and then you can choose warm light, cool light, or neutral. You can also adjust the intensity of the brightness of the light. And these last set of buttons at the bottom also allows you to set a 5, 15, or 30-minute timer for the light. So the first thing I'm going to do is charge one of the puck lights so I can try it out. The end that goes into the puck light is a USB-C port and the other end is a USB-A, so I'll just plug it into my adapter, which is already plugged into the wall. This red light means it's charging, so I'm going to come back when this is fully charged. Okay, so it actually took less than 30 minutes to charge this puck light and the red indicator has now changed to green. So I'm going to go ahead and stick this inside one of my wall sconces and test it out. As you can see, I've already stuck the magnetic piece inside my wall sconce and now I'm going to place the puck light onto it. And now for the moment of truth. And just to remind y'all, this puck light is motion censored for night or day mode, but I've got the remote here because I want to test out some of the different options. So let's turn this light on and let's test the off button as well. Okay, so far so good. Now let's cycle through the different color temperature options. The warm option casts a yellow golden glow, and there's also white light option and an in-between neutral option. And we can also dim the light or make it brighter. I think this puck light works perfectly, and I'll be using the rest of the puck lights around the house to light up some of my other DIY lamps and wall sconces.